If a screen protector on your phone, tablet, or pretty much any other mobile device ends up having some bubbles underneath it, there are several things you can do to try and get rid of them. Because usually the thing about screen protectors is that you can only re-put them on once, and after you take them off and put them back on, they usually won't stick as well. However, if you just follow these instructions, you can usually get most of the bubbles out while still ensuring that you don't need to throw it away and get a new one. First off, you want to get something thin and sharp that you can slowly lift the edge of the screen protector with, though be very careful if you get something like, say, a knife, because obviously that could scratch your actual screen. If the bubble you're trying to remove is close to the corner, just remove the screen protector up to that point. Then try reinstalling it right away, or you can just remove the whole thing and put it somewhere, and whilst ensuring that as little dust or debris falls on it as possible. At this point, you can give the screen a quick clean with something like, for example, alcohol pads if you have any, and then make sure to dry it, preferably with a microfiber cloth, to avoid introducing any additional particles, and make sure there's no kind of oily patches or smudges anywhere. Then reapply the whole screen protector, and if you see any bubbles left, you can always just use some kind of payment card or something similar to try and smooth them out from the center towards the edge. If you don't feel comfortable removing the whole screen protector, or if it's already not sticking well, you can just try and use that last step to get rid of any bubbles one by one, even if that can take a while if you have quite a few. The thing is that if those air bubbles are annoying you, you are going to have to remove them at some point. Given how they don't really get removed by themselves, you are going to have to intervene and remove them if you want to get the best possible experience from the display on your device. But that's just the main method on how you can remove them. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.